Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This June 13, 11 variant question number 7 in the past paper. And the topic is AS level quadratics. He's saying the curve. This is a curve equation. You can read it here, curve. And this is a line equation. Okay, because power x1, power y1 is called line. And when power is not 1, like a 2, is called curve. He's saying that let's assume m value 1. So I will plug in here 1. So when I plug in 1 here, student, it will turn to be this form. So 1 into x becomes x. Okay, he's saying find the line intersect at AB. Actually, parabolic curve is like this, and this line like this. So this is a parabolic curve, power 2, and this is a straight line. So they intersecting at 2 points, and he asking here, get A and B coordinates. So not a hard job. And then you find the midpoint of that. Is not a hard job. So first of all, I will put simultaneous equations. So I plug in this x here, or I plug in whole thing there. So no problem at all. So x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to x. I bring this x on this side. I get x square minus 5x plus 4 is equals to 0. Factorization, 4 ones are 4, 4 and 1. And when I will continue, you will find it easy, or you can apply quadratic formula. I got x minus 4 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So one time this equal to 0 and one time the other part equal to 0. When I plug in this part equal to 0, so I got two answers. One is 4 and one is 1. But he asking, give me coordinates. So I will plug in this 4 in this or here. But is this easy to plug in? When I plug in 4, y also for 4. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen 4, 4. When I plug in 1 here, I got a y also 1. So I got a 1, 1. So coordinates are very clear. And then he asking find a midpoint. So midpoint is not a hard job to understood to do it. Midpoint formula is what? Like an average of two numbers. Formula is very clear. X1 plus x2 divided by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. X1 is where here in x1, y. Well, let me write here. X1, y1, and x2, or you can change the order even, no problem. So 4 plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 1 by 2. And I'm getting the midpoint. M stand for midpoint, 5 by 2 and 5 by 2. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So this first part is completely over. Then he asking part number second. This is a part number 1 is done. Find the non-zero value of n. It means the two answers I will get it. I will not take 0. So line is a tangent to curve. So tangent mean if this line, if I drag slightly line, drag, and touch the curve is called tangent. I think point is very clear. So tangent to curve. So what I will do, so what's the steps are there to find the coordinates of the point of touching also. So step number 1, plug in this, solve them simultaneously. So I will put this value here or this full value here. So I'm writing x square. Okay, I'm writing first here. X square minus 4x plus 4. I'm going to plug in here. Equal to mx. Now x to power. Okay, first of all, let me shift this whole equation on next page. Wait a minute. Cut from here. And okay, this is a part number 2. So what I will do, students, step number 2, you know it very well. Bring mx this side. Okay, from here you can see negative common and x common. Negative I'll take left side and x I will take right side common. I can write it even here also, no problem at all. What is the a value? The x square coefficient is a. X coefficient including sign is called B. And this value is C. As the word he's given tangent word, and all of you know the rule, B squared minus 4AC equal to 0. B is this, negative 4 plus M whole square. And A value is 1. C value is 4. Okay, this according to rule A into B power N. So N will go to so both values separate, A to power N, B to power N. So this power 2 goes on minus 1 separate and 4 plus M separate. And this is 1. So this you write or you don't write, no problem. I get 4 plus M whole square, and this becomes 16. I bring 16 on the other side. I can expand it, but I will take a root of the both sides. As I will take a root of both sides, it will become like this. Look, I'm showing you. Root of left side, root of right side, plus minus compulsory. This will cancel. I got 4 plus M. Here I got plus and minus 4. I have two options. One is a 4 plus M equals to positive 4. 1 plus 4M is equals to negative 4. So when F4 goes there, it becomes 0. But he said M cannot be 0. I should leave it. Okay, this is not my answer. And here I got negative 8. But game is not finished. He said get the Km value. Whenever you got an M value, you have to use use this value and find out the coordinates of the tangent. Okay, so where I will plug in that very interesting part. I will plug in this M value, not even here, not here, here. Why, sir? Because it is easy to solve here. So when I use it, plug in it here, let's start. I get x square. When I plug in negative 8 in this place, so 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Repeat my words. 4 minus 8 negative and negative, negative, positive. So I got a positive 4x and plus 4 is equals to 0. Now factorization or quadratic formula. Factorization or quadratic formula I'm going to apply and have a look now. Plus 2x and plus 2x and plus 4 equal to 0. I have taken x common and I got this 2 common. X plus 2 is equal to 0. And look, I got a same answer repeating. How to get y value? I can get it any one equation. Okay, so I plug in this y equal to mx, y equal to mx, y is equal to mx. So y is equals to mx. M is this, x is this, over. So I'm going to write it negative 8 into 2 and y equal to negative 16. So answer turned to be 2, negative 16. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I believe that point is very, very clear and the concept is okay. Yeah. Yes, the correction is here. This 2 goes there and this becomes negative 2. So negative 2. And when I plug in negative 2 here, so negative into negative positive 16. So now correction is done. So this small mistake, I hope so. Now the concept is very, very clear.